shit out. Now come on and listen to me, understand I'm a dope boy. My lifestyle ain't right, but I do a lot of shit right. A lot of shit fucked up, a lot of shit going wrong, but best believe I'm coming on to get this shit right for real. I'm in the pot, I'm missing everything. I love to cook crap for real. I don't know why I like to do this shit. Fucking with the bitch, I tell her keep her mouth shut. That's the real loyalty that bring me back round for real. I know these bitches ain't loyal, I'm being real, but be loyal when I come through here for real. Don't have nobody hit your phone, don't have nobody pull up when I get to pull around this bitch for real. 4x4 trucks backing into your shit. It's too big to go under the garage for real. On my shit don't get towed parked on the side of the street. I'm tryna let you know I ain't right here for too long. Tryna tell you how I feel, you got to come on. I'm tryna tell you how to feel, you got to listen to me. I'm trapping everything up, I gotta wrap it up. I gotta fuck it up to get it right back for real. Understand I'm a trap nigga for real. Understand I got so much shit. Understand I love to fuck with the bitch, but I can't stop missing at my pirates for real, no for real. I'm tryna beat this shit out for real. I'm tryna